Hi everybody, it's Crystal here with Factory Girl. We are on day 15 of Vlogmas, so happy day 15. I hope you all are having a great day. It's Monday. My day's been good. I just got home. I'm only home for a little bit, and then I have a couple of meetings to run to, and then I'll be back later. But I wanted to pop in real quick and get this done before it got too late and make sure I could get this off to you. And sadly, I have nothing to show you for today. I got up this morning. I woke up early. I had to do a few things around the house, and then I had to go to work right away because I had some of my accounting staff was coming in for the day. We're heading into that year end, so we had a number of things to prep for, preparing for the new year, and our fiscal year runs on the calendar year, so there's all these things we have to get done this week since next week is inventory and the end of our year. So I was out of here bright and early before, like, right at 7 o'clock. So I haven't touched knitting at all today. I haven't watched a Vlogmas. I haven't caught up on anything fiber. I haven't done anything fiber related. I did pack a couple of orders and I got those shipped out tonight. But other than that, I haven't done anything. I did take a picture of the shawl and I'll pop that in here. I finished the latest garter section, but I still have these two minis to wind up and start on. So hopefully I don't know what time I'll be back home tonight. Hopefully maybe I'll get started with those. I'm not quite sure. So tonight I have on my Willow Breeze cowl. I love this cowl. I really want to make another one of these. I knit this one in Magpie Fibers yarn in their Nest worsted base. And then there's also a sweater that matches this too. And there is a dog sweater coming soon. I'm hopefully going to get that graded. That has been my goal for the last week and a half, and I just haven't been able to get to it. So I'm really hoping I can get that done this week so I can get a testing call out here soon so that once the holidays settle down and people have some free time and they're done with their holiday knitting, and if they want to knit a dog sweater, there will be something for them. So I don't have much to show you. I have nothing to show you other than we will open up the two advents that I have for today. And then that's about it for right now. And sadly, I haven't recorded anything from today. I've done nothing except sit at my desk and do boring financial stuff all day long, which is my least favorite part of what I do. I love sales. I love marketing. I love all this other stuff. I love working with our customers and our vendors. But when it comes to finance stuff, I don't mind reading financial reports and doing all that, but the rest of it, no, it's not for me. But that's why I have wonderful employees who do all that, but we had a lot of stuff to do today. But anyways, we're done with that and we're ready to go. I'm looking at all my beautiful pile of things that I've been opening while we've been chatting for the last 15 days. They are collecting next to me. I haven't been putting them away. Project for the weekend. But with that, why don't we open up day 6 of the fiber box? And let me pull out the little card for today, and we will read that. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in there really good. All right, there we go. Day 6. Handmade light. Each fiber pulled through your fingers is a thread of light. Spin it into something beautiful. Even winter cannot dim that glow. That's pretty. And ooh, this is a pretty color. Like I said, I don't remember what order these were in. This is, let's see if I can get the light right tonight. Will that help? That's a little bit better. Not really. That's probably the best. So it's a peachy color. Peachy pinks. Oh, this is pretty. It's actually darker than what this is showing up. I can't get it right. And I forgot to bring this with me to work today, where I have a photo light box set up to take pictures. So I'll have to try to get some pictures of this tonight to post online, but you can see some of the shades of the different colors. That's pretty. All right, so that was day 6 of the solstice box. And then today is day 15 for House of a la Mode. And let's see what Heather has here for us. This looks intriguing and special. I know she said there was something in here that was handmade by her, and I have a feeling this might be it. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, it's a sweet little pottery piece. Nice little dish. And then it has a pretty little stamp on the back of it, too. If I can get that right. So pretty. Oh, I love it. How wonderful. Oh, I can set that right there. I love that. So sweet. So that's that for today. Sophie is living her best life right now. I am finally getting a plethora of photos and updates. She and Grandma and Grandpa took a little road trip. They drove today up to Sedona. They stopped at some little cafe there and had lunch. And now they are spending a couple of nights in Flagstaff, and they're at this really cute little resort up there. They have a nice little outdoor fire pit at their place. It's almost like a cabin within this resort. So they have like their own little cabin there. And I'll pop a picture. She's all dressed up tonight. Grandma put her in a little red Christmas dress. So she's all dressed up to go out for dinner. That's one of the wonderful things about Arizona, is that they are very pet friendly. And so Sophie and pretty much every dog can go everywhere with you, and it's nice weather most everywhere, or there's heaters outside. So you can be outside with your dog wherever, and like you go to a restaurant and they have a little area for you, and there's like a dog menu, and it's pretty special. She's definitely living her best life right now, and I think she's having a great time. So yeah, it's very fun for her. I'm very excited for her. I guess with that, I have to run to these meetings. I know I say this every night, but I really do appreciate all of you. I appreciate you all being along for this Vlogmas journey with me this December. It's a lot of fun to put it together and to share bits and pieces with you. And I'm sorry today's a little boring, but hopefully tomorrow will be better. And I have to get off to these meetings and find some dinner. And I really hope I'm able to knit a little bit, but I'll throw a few photos in here of a couple of things that I do have to share with you. And Sophie's going to be the cutest of all of them in her cute little dress. But anyways, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And with that, have a wonderful evening. And again, thank you. And we'll chat later. Bye, friends.